Look at this guy, guys. This is the guy Chaudhry Amtaz. He earned 300k BUSD with only 3717 partners. Guys, as you can see here, how he exactly earned 300k BUSD, because hello, what's up people? How are you all? In today's video, I'm not gonna talk about Luna Classic, but I'm gonna talk about something else which will help you to invest back in Luna Classic in good amount. So guys, today I'm gonna talk about the best earning site, Forsage, the decentralized site where you can earn lots of dollars BUSD and you can invest back in Luna Classic. So guys, as you can see here, only two refers, two partners, I got 25 BUSD. I earned 25 BUSD and my team was 6, as you can see here, guys. So guys, how exactly you can earn from the Forsage? The method is simple, guys. You after creating account on Forsage, you just need 10 BUSD and $2 BNB fees only. 10 BUSD and $2 fees only of BNB, and you can create here your account. So after that, from there you can invite your friends. They will create the account and you will receive $5 on each referral. And your friend, if your friend also invite another friend, you will also receive $5. So by that friend, on the next friend he will invite, and you will he will become your team, and from this x3 slot you will receive another $5 by the recycle. And then when he open these slots, before that you have to also open these slots. When they open these slots, you will also earn large amount of money. So here you can earn in two ways, from working and from non-working. From working, you can invite, and your friends also invite other. You will bring some team and you will earn from the referral. And from non-working, you have to open the triple X and X gold slots. After that, the members will be filled in these slots and you will earn a large amount of money in this. So guys, first of all, I will show you the earning of the people. So this guy invited me and he only have one partner, but he earned $17.4. But he was invited by someone else, and that guy with 12 partners, he earned 457 BUSD. How? Because he referred some people, and those people also referred another people, and he earned on that. And 70 team he has, and he was invited by this guy. He earned 622 BUSD and he only have 12 referrals. And you can see here, guys, this that guy was brought by this girl. She earned $406 with one partner only, and she had 126 team. So guys, as you can see here, this girl was invited by this guy and he earned 529 BUSD and only 15 partners. I will show you the big people. Now here you can see only 8 partners on 8 referrals, but she earned $1,515 because of non-working. As you can see here, guys, from non-working she earned a lot, and also from the X4 slot, X3 slot. So non-working and the team and the people you invite, 2 to 3 people, they invite large amount of people, you will earn a good amount of dollars. And as you can see here, guys, and this girl was brought by this guy, and this guy earned 7,075 BUSD with only 76 referrals. Guys, now I will show you the big guy. This here it is, guys. Only 1177 referrals he done, and he got 76,306 BUSD. And wait a minute, I will show you another guy. Look at this guy, guys. This is the guy Chaudhry Amtaz. He earned 300k BUSD with only 3717 partners. Guys, as you can see here, how he exactly earned 300k BUSD because he invited some quality members who created their teams, and their team created their teams and their team, and here you can see his team is big, and also he's earning from x3 slot, x4 slot, triple x slot, and x gold slot. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Only it will take your 10 BUSD and $2 BNB fees to create a Forsage account, and this account will help you guys to earn 100k of dollars by just a little investment. And you have to little invest more, and you can open these slots, and this will be worth, guys. You will earn like a 100k of the uh, BUSD from a small investment. So here is my personal link. I will give this link in the comment box. Must use my refer link, so you can also take advantage of my team also by in these x triple x and x gold and the x4 slots. You will take the advantages from me also, from my other team also, guys. So don't forget to create account on Forsage. Only it will take yours 10 BUSD and $2 BNB. That's not a big deal for anyone. You can create the hair account, and I showed you that how much people earn. You just have to invite people. After you creating the account, invite people. On every each invite you will receive $5, and your invitation guy also invite someone else, you will also receive $5, and they will get in your team in these slots, and you will also earn like thousands of dollars from here. So guys, don't forget, and don't forget to open the slots. But before opening the slots, your inviter like me will also open the slots for you guys, so it will help you and you can earn thousands of dollars. So I just started this also and earned a good amount with only two partners, and my two partners next my two partners invited someone else, and I got the team. So guys, I will earn a lot from here. So don't forget to use my referral code. I will give this in the description, and also don't forget to create account on this. This is the big opportunity for the Luna Classic community. You can earn from here and invest back in the Luna Classic, and you will earn there from there more and more. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share this video so your friends and family can also earn from here, because my friends, my close friends also earned thousands of dollars from here, and my leaders up, as I showed you, he earned 300k dollars from here for Sage. So guys, don't forget to invest in this. Only $10, 10 BUSD you need in the trust wallet. Only 10 BUSD in the trust wallet you need it, and $2 BNB fees. Then you will create the account, then open the slots. It will take a small amount of the dollars BUSD to open your slots, and after that you will earn lifetime. So if you have any question about this, regarding this, you can also uh, reach me on Twitter. My Twitter DMs are always open, and I always check the DMs. I will reply, and I will guide you also if you having any problem in creating the account. So guys, don't forget to work on this. This is the opportunity for you all, the lifetime opportunity. Have a good day. See you in the next video.